This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Hello and welcome to Boss's Day Out. Today we're going to meet a boss who doesn't drive a swanky car, who doesn't work on a laptop, but he heads India's largest telecom service provider. Mr. A.K. Sinha, a veteran in the field, the head of BSNL. That's who we're going to meet today on Boss's Day Out. And right now, it's about 7 a.m. We're going to catch him on his morning walk at Nehru Park in Delhi. Mr. Sinha, good morning.
Good morning.
कैसे हैं आप?
Yes, ठीक है.
Nice morning today.
Yes, nice morning, but slightly
Muggy.
sultry, you can say.
Mr. Sinha, you come here to walk every morning?
Yeah, every morning I come about 6:30.
6:13. You just enjoy it, or are you sort of very keen to stay fit? Or
Actually, that is there in the background that we should keep fit. But you enjoy also. Once you start coming, you feel whole day fresh.
so it's a nice start to the day.
Yes, nice study. You just say strict sense, I don't need what is the meaning. But yes, you go to temple, and whenever you see a temple, automatically something changes.
So, sir, do you have a busy day planned?
Today is really busy day because we have got a very important, today is board meeting.
Okay.
And then usual meeting with the visitors, some of our people, our own officers,
Okay.
talking to them about the progress, about various activities.
Well, while Mr. Sinha is getting ready for his day at work, breakfast is being prepared here in the Sinha household. Mr. Sinha, क्या बना रहे हो आप?
Bread roll.
Bread roll. What are his favorite things?
Cornflake dough.
Cornflakes.
Yes. He likes cornflake very much.
So today is very special breakfast, I
Yeah.
suppose.
Today is a special breakfast.
Does he spend any time with you, or is he too busy working?
Yeah, too busy.
Too busy.
Yes. He has no time for me. I am waiting for his retirement. At that time, I think he may give some time to me.
And TV?
TV, yes, TV I am watching.
Mr. Sinha, do you watch TV with your wife?
Actually, evening 8:30 to 9:30, invariably we see TV.
So, Mr. Sinha, where are all your children now?
The eldest one is daughter. She had done engineering from Allahabad, and now she is working in TCS, Tata Consultancy. Then the second daughter is presently married, and her husband is working in Airtel.
With the competition?
Yeah, with the competition.
Son-in-law working with the competition.
Yeah, that way TCS, all telecom field only is happening field. So I can't prevent, the children have to go there.
And now, Mr. Sinha, what's on the agenda for today? Where are we going next?
Today we'll be reaching office by about 9:50, 9:20.
Okay.
Then since there is a meeting 11 o'clock, so in between I have kept that for review of the expansion plans.
All right.
Then I will see anything has come from the ministry. The most important 11 to maybe 3 o'clock. I will be busy for the board meeting.
Well, there you have it. The agenda's all set for today. So we're just going to wrap up breakfast and then get headed to the office.
Okay, bye-bye, take care.
Well, we're on our way to the BSNL office. Lots in store for us today. So let's get started. A busy day ahead. Mr. Sinha, what's your favorite part of the day?
Actually, favorite part of the day, that way I won't define it. But once the things are, whatever is scheduled, people who want to meet you, you give an appointment, discussing them is good. You get some new inputs for your business. So it is okay. Only unscheduled, when you are told to come here to go there, then it disturbs.
Mr. Sinha, you don't use a laptop or a computer?
Not too often.
Not too often. So are you very familiar with technology? Do you like using, all these new gadgets and so forth?
I want to use it to the extent it is required by me, not more than that.
So what's on the agenda today? What's first?
Actually, the big agenda is that 11 o'clock there is a board meeting. But before that, I want to talk to some of my functionaries here who will brief me about the progress in their department. After I talk to them, then I'll go for the meeting.
What in particular is on the agenda for the board meeting?
The board meeting is always very important because the highest policy making.
Right.
But this year, whatever we wanted to expand, for that certain decisions are to be taken in the board.
Tell us a bit more about your expansion plans. You were talking about them earlier today as well. About how
the expansion plan is that since the government has given directive that the country should have 250 million telephones by December 2007. As on today, it is about slightly more than 100 million. So we have to, the two PSUs, BSNL and MTNL, we have taken that 50% of that out of 125, 250 millions. 125 millions should be achieved by the PSUs. And right now, BSNL is at 47 million. So we have to grow to the extent of 70 to 80 million in 3 years. So our plan is, we have to make plans to grow at the rate of about 25 million telephones for the next 3 years. So for this year, equipment already we have procured. But for the next 2 years, we are going to procure 40 million.
What will this mean for you in terms of revenues?
Revenue in the, if you say the average revenue for this, about 400 rupees per month. You can calculate how much revenue will come.
Okay, what is your fixed line to GSM ratio now?
Fixed line is about 3.6, you can say 3.6 crores, 36 billion, as against about 10 million this.
And there have been a lot of surrenders also happening in fixed line. Has that slide been arrested?
Actually, this is the, you can say all over the world phenomena. Once the whole world, the GSM, the mobile numbers have overtaken the fixed line. So it's a natural phenomena. But still, we are trying to give lot of value-added services in the fixed line to keep our customers attracted, like giving clip facility, giving cordless telephone, even giving SMS. So value-added services we are giving so that people remain with that.
So mega expansion plans there for BSNL, and of course they're going to be discussed in far greater detail at today's board meeting. We're of course going to take you there in a short while, but for now we're going to give Mr. Sinha some time to wrap up some work here in the office and have some discussions with the members of the staff.